In this video, I am going to discuss how to calculate special angles. So you don't want to memorize all the ratios. Only ratio that you have to memorize is this sine 30. Sine 30. Sine 30 is 1 over 2. So uh, in this right angle triangle, this is 30. Then sine ratio is opposite over hypotenuse. Therefore, opposite is this 1. Hypotenuse is this 2, which is opposite to 90 degrees. So opposite over hypotenuse. So only ratio that you have to memorize is this. All other ratios, these ratios are derived from this ratio. So according to Pythagoras theorem, so we know this is root 3, square root of 2 squared minus 1 squared. So sine 30 is 1 over 2. Then cos 30 is, cos means adjacent over hypotenuse. Adjacent is root 3, hypotenuse is root 2. Tan 30 is opposite over adjacent, 1 over root 3. Then you know, according to our simple geometry, this is 60 degrees because 90 minus 30 is 60. So sine 60 is therefore opposite root 3 over hypotenuse root 2. Cos 60, adjacent 1 over hypotenuse 2. Tan 60, opposite root 3 over adjacent over 1 means root 3. So very easily you can derive these ratios. Only thing you have to memorize is this sine 30 is 1 over 2. Let's go to 45. 45 in a right angle triangle, if one angle is 45, the other angle is also 45, 90 minus 45, then these two sides are equal because of these two angles are equal. Say this is 1, this is 1, according to Pythagoras theorem, 1 squared plus 1 squared is 2, square root of 2 is the hypotenuse. Then sine 45, sine means opposite, which is 1 over hypotenuse is root 2, so 1 over 2. Cos 45, adjacent 1 over hypotenuse root 2. Tan 45, tan 45 opposite 1 over adjacent 1. 1 over 1 is 1. So very easy. Now let's come to this ratio, sine 90. Sine 90 is opposite, sine is opposite over hypotenuse. So this is 90. So opposite is this. Hypotenuse is same thing. So actually it is root 2 over root 2. So this is root 2 over root 2, which is 1. So sine 90 is opposite is this. Hypotenuse is also the same. It is so happen because hypotenuse is opposite to 90 degrees. So root 2 over root 2 is 1. Then cos 90, adjacent. Where is the adjacent? So this adjacent is not for 90, but for 45. This adjacent is for 45. For 90, no adjacent. For 90, you have only opposite. So cos 90 is adjacent is 0 over hypotenuse is actually root 2. Hypotenuse is adjacent over hypotenuse, which is root 2. So 0 over root 2 is 0. Then tan 90. Tan 90 means opposite. Opposite is root 2 over adjacent. Adjacent, no adjacent. This adjacent, these two adjacents are for these two angles. For 90, no adjacent. So divided by 0 is infinity. So you can easily derive these ratios. For 30 and 60, you have to memorize only this ratio. For 45, you know that these two sides are equal. Put 1 and 1, then root 2, then you can do this. So sine and cosine tan 90 also can be done using the ratios. So this is a very easy method for calculating special angles. So these ratios are in exact values, not in decimals. So I hope that you understand. Thank you so much.